Imagine this. Your salary arrives and all your expenses line up to collect their share. First in line, rent. He is strict, punctual, and always takes a big chunk. No arguments there. Next comes food. Always hungry. Groceries, meals, midnight snacks. He shows up everywhere. Then walks in mobile recharge. Small amount, but shows up every month like clockwork. Electricity, internet, the quiet ones. Essential, but never demanding. They simply wait for their turn. And finally, in the back of the room, sits someone you barely notice. Quiet, patient. Future you, the one who dreams of a home, a child's education, maybe early retirement. But this month once again gets nothing. So here is a simple shift. Pay yourself first. Before the bills, before the impulse spends. Start a SIP. Even a small amount a month is enough to say, hey future me, I've got your back. With every SIP, your money is invested with the potential to grow and compound over time. Because the only expense that has the potential to create long-term value is future you. Start your SIP today. It's not just an investment. It's a step towards securing your future income. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.